Traders, hope you guys had a wonderful trading week, and I hope that you're doing all that's important and doing all that you have to do so you can prepare yourself for the next trading week. That's your boy Harlem King COT, and we're back again with another video. Today's video will be our weekly trading outlook. You guys know that on our weekly trading outlooks, we never miss and we never miss, we never miss. We're always sending shots and we're always sending shots. So we're gonna be looking for possible direction for the coming week of, I think, the 27th up and until the 1st or the 31st. Just not sure of the date, but we're gonna be looking for possible direction on three trading pairs, which is Nasdaq, gold, and USD CAD. If you're new to my channel, this is your boy Harlem King COT. I appreciate having you as one of our family members. I'm grateful and I sure am grateful. I will keep on uploading educational content and keep on showing up for you guys. All I ask is that you like the videos, share the videos, subscribe to the channel, leave comments, trade with the best broker that we trade with and highly recommend. Or if you're looking to be mentored by me, strictly me, then I'm gonna leave my number, I'm gonna leave my Instagram link, and I'm gonna leave anything that you can use, any source of communication that I can use so you can get a hold of me and so we can have a wonderful session and so I can give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need. But without further ado, let me share this wonderful gems, let me give you game, and let me make sure that I prepare you guys for the next trading week. So you guys know that one of the first and important pairs that we're always looking at is Nasdaq. So for the past few weeks, when you're looking at our current price, Nasdaq has been moving in higher highs and in higher lows. Our structure has been clearly bullish. You guys get that. Now that price is in a possible range, you guys can clearly see right there from this push to the upside, we created this high, push to the downside, created this low, push to the upside, created a high, push to the downside, created a low to end the week. So just because now we're waiting for confirmation for the coming week, all I want to make you guys understand is that with price having a bullish structure and a possible range, with price having a bullish structure and a possible range. All I can assure you guys with is that obviously with price having a range, there's always two takes, right? One, price has to obviously move to the upside to continue with its initial structure, right? And two, we might look for that possible reversal to the downside based on price violating our lows instead of our highs, giving us signs of the bullish weakness and the bearish momentum. We might look to be bearish. So if if I can sum it up for you guys, if price breaks to the downside, then I guess we can be looking. If price breaks to the downside, then I guess we're gonna be looking for price for continuation, so possible reversals to the downside. But if price violates to the upside, then I guess we can wait and see what is gonna happen if price reaches this possible price level zone. Based on price having this all-time high, if price comes back right there, we might start looking to see, is the price going to initially break for new highs, or are we going to fail to break for those possible reversals? You just don't know. That's why we're simply waiting for confirmation. Do you guys get there? Without further ado, we hit the second pair, which is gold. So if I have to zoom in a little on gold, you guys can clearly understand that gold has been holding our range for quite a long time right now. Price has our support marked out, and price has our resistance marked out. Now that you can clearly understand that our structure on gold, price has been also bullish, right? You can clearly see we've been moving in higher highs and in higher lows. Price has been holding higher highs and price has been holding higher lows. Now, in order for me to conclude this with you guys or make you guys understand what we might be initially looking for the coming week, it's very simple. If now our trade idea is very simple. If price is going to have a break above our all-time high, then I guess we can be literally looking for those possible new all-time highs. But if price fails to break, then I guess we can look for those momentum, for those bear momentums to the downside based on price failing to violate resistance. But if price gives us a violation of our resistance, then I guess we can be looking for those continuations to the downside, to the upside, I mean. And another thing is you can clearly see that price is initially having a channel, right? The bullish channel. If I can just sum it up for you guys simply, if I can just make you guys see it right there, you can now clearly see that obviously price is also holding a channel, right? Just to show you the equivalency of how price has been, how our structure is looking on gold. Do you guys get that? Now that price is on our initial touch right there. Now price is having a possible touch right there. If now it's based on price failing to violate our resistance and price failing to violate our diagonal resistance, because we have two resistance at the moment. We're having that diagonal resistance and we're having that major resistance. If price is failing to violate both, then I guess we can look for those moves to the downside. But if price violates both, then I guess we can look for those possible continuations to the upside. Do you guys get that? Another thing is USD CAD. So USD CAD will be our last pair on our trading outlook, right? So you can clearly see, guys, that I've been sharing for quite a few weeks right now, that obviously structure structure is in a range, and obviously with price being in a range, that's only two things that we're looking for: a break below or a break above. A break a break below or a break above. If price doesn't break above, then we look to be bearish. But if price doesn't break below, we look to be bullish. That's just how it is. That's just how it's always been. And that's just how it's gonna be forever and ever. But our trade idea is very simple. Wait for a break above or a break below. Just like I said, if we get a break below, we look to be bearish. If we get a break above, we look to be bullish. If price fails to break below, we look for a reversal to be bullish. If price fails to break above, we look for a reversal to be bearish. Do you guys get that? So this will be what I'll be looking to do, guys. Look, this will be what I'll be willing to put my money to work on for the coming week. Make sure, guys, that you repeat the video if you didn't understand anything, and make sure that all that you do, make sure, guys, make sure that the approach that you use doesn't have to change based on the opinions that I've just shared. Make sure that you use what you use, work on what you work on, and see how we see it, and just see how you can understand and see how you can better prepare yourself for the next trading week. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and we're signing out.